Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. We have got a mini GT diecast with us today, and as you can see, it's a Chevy Corvette Z06, and the paint scheme is also mentioned up here. Let me bring it close. It says Accelerate Yellow. That's something new. You don't normally see a color mentioned on the package. Well, this is my second mini GT and I really like the Nissan G. Had good details. So let's see how does it appears. I have high hopes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like my videos, leave a comment, share with your friends. So let's start it. Let's unbox the car and see how does it look. So these mini GT come like a box, same way you get Atomica, but there is a slight difference. Atomicas are wrapped in a plastic bag, but these on the other hand come in this packaging, which in my opinion is much better because it kind of saves the car from any damage. The other thing I have noticed on mini GTs, it says age 14 plus collector's model, not suitable for children. So they are marketing it as a collector model, not as toys, how Hot Wheels are 3 plus or stuff. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So the first thing I noticed, even before I noticed the detailed engine inside, so that's fun. As we read on the box, the color is Accelerate Yellow and it looks really nice. It really pops. And I have actually seen a Corvette in the same paint scheme and it looks, well, some people might not like it, but it looks really good on it. So let's start the review and start from the front. So this is the latest generation Corvette. That means the engine is in the back, and there are good details up front. You can see detailed headlamp, and it's not painted, it's actually made like a headlamp. I don't know what material they use. Is it acrylic or it's plastic, but it's a headlamp there with good details on it. Like if you see from the side, you can see the orange, slight hit of orange material in there, which is the part of running lamps. So they're lit whenever car starts. Apart from that, up front you can see the Corvette badge, obviously the hood design, the windshield wipers, which are finished in black. Nice surrounding around the window, how we have in the actual car, so you can see that. If we lower it down, again you see all the grille elements there. You can see a splitter, more arrow here, so good details. It's a Z06, so it's more track focused. Now let's move to the driver's side. There are some nice details here. You can see the wheel design, which is almost close to the actual car, which is really good. That's what we want in a nice diecast car. You also got the mirrors, and one thing I've noticed, this mirror are not hard metal, it's soft like rubber. So don't know the exact material, but that is good. In I think it won't break if it falls or something. But yeah, even the mirror kind of follows the design language of the actual car, which is good in my opinion. You can see how the body looks. It's really good. You can see the vents and everything. Doing a nice detail. Z06 badge here, which I don't know my camera can focus or not, but you've got the Z06 badge here. Fuel filler cap on this side. So nice, you've got the nice detail. It's nicely detailed on the side too. You can see from this angle there's a big spoiler. It's a G06. So let's move to the back now. You've got detailed tail lamps. Again, these are not painted. This is like a plastic or whatever material they use. So nicely detailed tail lamps. You got the Corvette badge, G06 badge, the quad exhaust at the bottom. Okay, this I would have liked if these were kind of painted silver, I guess, because in the actual car they have those silver tips. But again, I don't know if in Z06 they go all black, so I'm not sure about that. But yeah, you got most of the details back here too, so it looks nice. And let's go to the passenger side. We'll come to the engine compartment or top later. So it's almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap on the other side. It looks almost identical to that. Now this is good, this is interesting. So top, it's almost like how it follows the design language of Z06, but back here you can see the engine in there. It's painted, it looks nice, and you can also see the lines for the rear defogger. That's some nice detail. You've got the Corvette badge, the shark fin antenna. So it's nicely detailed. You've got nice details in there, which is really good. Also, another thing I noticed, the new Corvette doesn't have a circular steering, it has kind of squarish. So you got that too. So again, those are nice details. So I don't have that much experience with Mini GT. I only got like this is my second car, but I'm liking it. I like the way they are doing the doing the details on it. So I might add a few more if I find Mini GTs. I haven't seen much, especially in stores. I don't have major toy stores in where I live. It's either Walmart or Toys R Us, nothing extra, and I haven't seen that many Mini GTs. Actually, I haven't seen Mini GTs, but I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, if you like to collect cars which are more detailed, better detailed than what you get in a obviously in a Hot Wheels are not that pretty detailed, again, given the price point. But even if you compare Hot Wheels Premium, these are more nicely detailed compared to that. So yeah, this is more like what do you say? I think this is close to maybe Tomica Premium or maybe even more than that. And I don't know if Greenlight does just like, but I've seen some Auto World cars which are nicely detailed. So yeah, it's good, it's nicely detailed, and if you like it, if you want to spend some extra money, obviously it's gonna cost 10 times more than a Hot Wheel. A Hot Wheel will be a $2 or $2.50. This I guess is gonna be $10, $15, or maybe even $20. So, but if you are into models which are nicely detailed, which has got good details, go ahead, you will love it. Well, that's what I think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.